Okay, look at number 3. Well, actually, like I didn't have this problem in the in my note, but I found one of the your online homework is this form. That's why I just copy and paste from the online homework, and we're gonna try to just practice how we can write this system of like differential equation as the matrix form. It's really easy. Okay, just your matrix will be x1 comma x2 vector. Okay, so this system of equation can be written by x1 prime, x2 prime, and then the matrix must be 2 by 2 matrix with x1 and x2, okay? Just look at the coefficient of x1 and x2, okay? It's t6 and 3 and sine t and t. Then without x1 and x2 term, it is gt term, right? Which is secant t and minus 2. That's it. That's really easy, right? And also, what about number 4? So x1 and x2 is given. Then also we can find the matrix P. Okay, here we go. So let me show you how I can do it. Okay. So first of all, let me combine as one single matrix with the two vector x1, solution vector x1 and x2. Okay. So here we go. T squared, 2t, et, right? Okay, so we're going to use this, okay? But think about it. X prime equal to ptx, right? And then, since we set x as the matrix for now, not the vector, but it's matrix now, we can multiply the inverse matrix, okay? And we can easily find, since x1 and x2 form the fundamental set of solution, okay? Which means Wronskian is not equal to 0. In other words, determinant is not equal to 0. Okay? Determinant not equal to 0 means it's non-singular. In another word, there is inverse matrix. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm talking a lot of basic idea about linear algebra, but you have to keep that in mind, okay? Determinant is not equal to 0 means there is inverse matrix, okay? So we assume there is x inverse. Okay? We don't have to find it, but where find it, we have to find it. But at this moment, we are not going to find it, but we assume there's x inverse, then we can multiply x inverse on the left-hand side, okay? There we go. Whenever you multiply something on your left-hand side, oh, I said x, right? So we're going to multiply right-hand side, I'm sorry. Inverse, okay? Then you multiply same side on the left-hand side as well, okay? Then this will show you x prime times x inverse equal to pt. There we go. If you have to find pt, then your pt can be found by x prime times x inverse. Does it make sense? Now we're going to find x inverse and x prime, okay? There we go. Since my x prime equal to, just elementary wise, right? 2t, et, 2, et, right? And what is inverse function? Inverse matrix, AD minus BC, which is determinant of x. It is t squared e to t minus 2t, t, and switch these guys and opposite of these guys, okay? So let me simplify this one. It is equal to 1 over, okay, let me factor that out. T squared minus 2t net. And limit a little bit more. It's okay. Then it is equal to 1 over t minus t to t and minus 1 over, right? And then t is cancelled out, then minus 2. Then the very last one is t over, oopsie, not here, but here. Or I can write negative power, but okay. This one for here. And this is t minus 2. It's around, okay? Then, okay, so now we hold this thing. My matrix PT is X prime times X inverse. Okay, then, oh, I need more space. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Looks better. And then when you multiply, I mean, like product of these two matrix is equal to, just be careful for your calculation, okay? 2 over t minus 2 and minus e to t over t minus 2t. Oh, no, this one, the bottom one, minus 2, or e to t cancelled, and minus 2 over t minus 2, which is 0. And the second one is minus, we're going to take care of this later, okay? T is cancelled out, minus 2 over t minus 2. Then e to t is cancelled out, plus t over t minus 2. And 2 over t minus 2t, and minus 2 over t minus 2. Okay, and then the very last one is negative 2 over t minus 1t, then e to t is cancelled out, and plus t over t minus 2. Okay, so final answer is 0 and t minus 2 over t minus 2, which is 1. And even there's 2, but like there's no way to simplify. So it can be just a little bit simplified more like this way. And then the very last one, same manner, minus 2 plus t squared over t minus 1 and t. I think that's enough, okay?